got it when it was brand new, and it was the first GoPro for sure to have a screen on the back and to be waterproof without a case. So I've been using this thing for a long ass time. I've been making BMX videos, car videos, pretty much everything with this thing, and it feels a little outdated. The quality on it, and it's a little bit slower. So I'm gonna end up recording videos where I'm recording both cameras at 4K 60 FPS. One big thing I want to test is the wind. So the wind noise, I'm gonna stick it out the window going 30 miles an hour. You can see we're going 30. And we're gonna test the wind now. How well the wind stops, with the microphone. I don't know how well you could hear anything, but hopefully you could hear everything over the wind. Alright, and this is the GoPro Hero 5, so we're going to stick it out the window and test the wind noise. Alright, well I just found out that the GoPro Hero 5 can't do 4K 60 FPS, and both of these settings are set for differently. I think this one was set for when I was riding bikes outside, when it was really bright outside, and this one was from last night when I was adjusting the settings and it was dark outside. So I have to adjust them both to be identical, that way we can get an actual good comparison. Match the settings on them, they're both set to 1600K and ISO of 0. So you can see here I got two GoPros in my hand, and it looks like a little bit overexposed on the Hero 5 as I'm seeing, so let's go take a look. They're both set to 4K 30 FPS right now. They're both set to the wide angle. Alright, so both cameras are set right now to 1080p 60 frames a second on Super View. Well, I expected that to happen eventually. These cameras are set to 1080p 60 FPS on Super View, so you can see the view is very wide. Now I'm noticing one thing is that the GoPro Hero 5 is actually showing right now 60 frames a second in the display while I'm watching it, while I'm pretty sure the